The coming reaction is Hoffman bromamide reaction. Okay. So what is this Hoffman bromamide reaction? Generally, I will tell R C double bond O NH2. This is on treated with Br2 and KOH or NaOH, bromine and base. Then you are getting the primary amine. You can prepare both aliphatic and aromatic amines by using this preparation. Let me tell the mechanism. So by using this, you can prepare aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I want space. Let me rough the whiteboard and yes, please keep remember step by step. I will tell first R C double bond O NH2. This is the first step. This is on treated with base. So what is that step one? Base reacts now. What is the part is eliminated? Water is eliminated. You added KOH, K plus and OH minus. So what will happen here? This is the negative charge. Okay, water is eliminated. Please keep remember water is eliminated. Then bond shifted towards nitrogen side, H plus base, acid base reaction, because these two hydrogens are acidic because of the minus and electron withdrawing group. Then R C double bond O N minus hydrogen for the stabilization purpose. K plus is there because you added base now. Water is eliminated. Water is eliminated. I hope you can understand. After this, this is on treated with Br2. So this is the Br2 attacking like this. Then whenever that is attacking, then this is attacking like this. Br leaving Br minus and Br plus. So what is the part is eliminated? Simple salt eliminated. Then what is our product? R C double bond O N. This is the negative charge is connected to bromine. Bromine. Okay. So here hydrogen is there. Here what is the part is eliminated? KBr is eliminated minus KBr. Then here what is there? Hydrogen is there. As usual, hydrogen is there. Next, again you added base. So base again extracting what? Base again extracting acidic hydrogen. Okay, you added again KOH only. KOH only. So then bond shifted towards nitrogen side, nitrogen getting negative, hydrogen getting positive, H and OH is eliminated. Then R C double bond O N minus. Please keep remember there is a minus. There is a minus. Br for the stabilization purpose, K plus is there. Here just water is eliminated. Here H and OH is eliminated. As usual, minus charge. Minus charge is there. Br minus is there. K plus is there for the stabilization purpose. This is the important step. The coming step is most important. This is the negative charge. Please keep remember. Negative charge is shifted here. Alkyl group shifted like this. Negative charge and again attached to the nitrogen. Br minus is leaves here. KBr is eliminated. Okay, here minus KBr is eliminated. I will write this is slow step RDS. This has happened in the slowly. This has happened slowly. Okay, this has happened slowly RDS. That means what will happen? I will write it clearly. This is the C double bond O. You write it. This C double bond O. This is the C double bond O. N. R group is migrating no like this. R group. R group is attacking like this. Okay. Then Br minus leaving like this. It is like this. Okay, very simple. So the same step I will write it once again, because by based on this step, so many Nemood reactions are coming. Smith rearrangement, Claisen rearrangement, Lawson rearrangement, all the rearrangements are forming. Here the reaction intermediate is going to form. That reaction intermediate is alkyl isocyanate. That means bond shifted like this. This is the bond shifted like this, R minus. This is the R minus connected to nitrogen connected to nitrogen. Then R, this is the R connected to nitrogen. No? Nitrogen, here double bond is forming, C double bond. I hope it is clear. Yes. The next thing, you added what? Here water is eliminated. No? Here already one water, second water is eliminated. No? That water you should use. Okay. So that water is attacks that OH minus attacks like this, bond shifted like this, N minus, H plus is added, then R, sorry, water is R, N, H, C, double bond O, OH. Okay. So then again, furtherly you added water. Again bond breaking, H is added, OH is added. Then you are going to get R, NH2 primary amine. This is the most important, beautiful mechanism. And what is the byproduct? C double bond O, OH and OH. So this is unstable. Immediately water is eliminated, plus CO2 plus water. This is the mechanism for the Hoffman bromamide reaction. Okay, I hope it is clear. Yes. Here the reaction intermediate is alkyl isocyanate. Just once again, R, C double bond O, NH2. Briefly I will tell. OH minus you added, water is eliminated, then RC double bond O, N minus hydrogen. So this is the N minus treated with Br2, it is attacking, then RC double bond O, N, Br, hydrogen. So then again you added base, so base, again water eliminated, then you are going to get R, C double bond O, N minus Br. Okay, please keep remember, this is only important. Bond shifted like this. This is the R alkyl group is migrating like this. Br minus is like this. You added no K plus is there. K plus and Br minus is eliminating. Here the most important thing, it is the alkyl isocyanate is the most important reaction intermediate. Okay, so what is forming here? C double bond O, here N, here Br, here this is R is there. This is the reaction intermediate. That means alkyl group is migrating. No, that I represented like this. This is the transition state 3 membered ring, unstable. So what is the reaction intermediate is forming finally? R. This is alkyl group is migrating. No, this is bond shifted like this. R minus attacks to the this negative. This is the bond shifted. Bond double bond is forming. Here R, C double bond O, N, Br is there. You keep remember, negative charge is shifted. It's forming double bond. It's like nitrine. So here also Br minus, nitrine empty box. Like this it is. Okay. Finally, what is the product is forming? Alkyl isocyanate. Very simple migration. So once again, R minus Br. This is the bond shifted. Bond is migrating like this. R is connected to nitrogen. This is Br minus is leaving. Okay. Whenever this is connecting like this, Here empty box is coming because Br minus is coming. It is nitrene is there. Finally, alkyl isocyanate. This is on hydrolysis. You are going to get primary amine. This is Hoffman bromamide reaction. And the next reaction, Smith reaction. In this RCOOH on treated with hydrozoic acid. So what is this hydrozoic acid? Name it is hydrozoic acid. This hydrozoic acid on reaction with carboxylic acid, more strong acidic. Then what is the part eliminated? Water is eliminated. Then you are going to get RC double bond O N3. Yes, RC double bond O N3. You write it like this, RC double bond O N3. The original structure I will write N3. You write it like this. So the next it is here N3 is eliminating. Then RC double bond O N is there. So here N has negative charge. So this is the negative charge is shifted. Then RC double bond O double bond N unstable. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonds unstable. Here nitrogen 2 bonds is there, means it is called as nitrene. One empty box is there. Again it is migrated like this. So then you are going to get R. This is the normal. This is the happened in that Hoffman bromamide also. R N double bond C double bond O alkyl isocyanate. As usual, this is on hydrolysis. You are going to get primary amine. Okay. So this is called as what reaction? Smith reaction. I hope you can understand. So I'll tell deep mechanism. Once again, I'll explain the deep mechanism. You just listen here. So what is this? RCOOH. This is on treated with N3H. This is N3H. So what is the name of this N3H? Hydrozoic acid. This hydrozoic acid, what is the part is eliminated? Water is eliminated. Then R, C, double bond O, N. This is because bond shifted like this, no? This is negative, it is positive. Water is eliminated. Then you are going to get here already nitrogen has pair. Then N triple bond N, here plus is there, here minus is there. N2 gas is eliminated. Okay. So then please keep remember, very simple. Here nitrogen negative charge because nitrogen has only 2 bonds. So once again, R COOH. Okay. What is the part is eliminated? Water is eliminated. Then R C double bond O N minus N plus triple bond N. Negative charge is shifted. Alkyl group is migrated to nitrogen. Then N2 is eliminated. So once again, alkyl isocyanate is forming. This is on hydrolysis. Obviously, primary amine is going to form. This is called as Smith reaction. I hope it is clear. And the next reaction. So Curtius rearrangement. What is this Curtius rearrangement? In Hoffman bromamide, Curtius rearrangement, Smith reaction, and one more reaction also coming. What is that? Lawson rearrangement. For all these reactions, Alkyl isocyanate is the intermediate. Okay. So what is this courteous rearrangement? This is on treated with courteous rearrangement. Yes. What is this courteous rearrangement? R COCl on treated with NaN3 by heating. As usual, NaN3 you can write it like this: N minus N3 plus same. Okay, so this is attacking Cl minus NaCl is eliminated. Then R C double bond O N minus N3. Okay, so this is negative charge is shifted. Then R minus is migrated to nitrogen. Then N2 is eliminated. This step is already we have seen in the Smith reaction. Then R N double bond C double bond O. So on byproduct is N2. Obviously, this is on hydrolysis. You, as you know already. Then bond shifted like this: negative, positive. Here H is added. Here OH is added. Then further hydrolysis, you are going to get R NH2. This step I already told in the Hoffman bromamide how it undergoes hydrolysis. Okay, so this is called as courteous rearrangement. The next rearrangement, all these are most important Nemood reactions for IIT JEE, but these reactions are not there in the NEET exam. Only Hoffman bromamide is there. Okay. So the next reaction, it is Lawson rearrangement. What is that Lawson rearrangement? Yes. What is that Lawson rearrangement? The Lawson rearrangement RCOOH. This is on treated with SOCl2. I already told you today class only. OH is converted to Cl. Anywhere you wanted to convert OH to Cl, what are the reagents are applicable? So SOCl2, PCl5, PCl3. After that, this is on treated with hydroxylamine. So this is the hydroxylamine heating. HCl is eliminated. Then R C double bond O. So R C double bond O NH R C double bond O NH OH. So this is again on treated with base. You know already base importance. Base KOH. So what is the part is eliminated? Base abstracting acidic hydrogen, then nitrogen getting negative charge. Then what is the product? R C double bond O N minus, here OH is there. Then here base you added, no, K plus is there. You added a KOH base. This is acidic hydrogen. So water is eliminated, K plus is there. After that, please keep remember, this is the double bond. Carbon 5 bonds, unstable. Please see that KOH is eliminated. Then R, N double bond, C double bond O. Then water is added. Alkyl isocyanate. Then bond shifted like this, negative, positive. H is added. OH is added. Then R, N, H, CO, OH. Furtherly, you added water means H is added, OH is added. Finally, you are going to get R, NH2. I hope you can understand. So this is called as Lawson rearrangement. The most important thing here, it is very important thing. It is, I wanted to tell in Hoffman bromamide and courteous rearrangement and Lawson rearrangement. Okay, Smith reaction. For these four Nemood reaction, what is the reaction intermediate means? The most important reaction intermediate is R N double bond C double bond O alkyl isocyanide. If in place of this alkyl group, you write it methyl group, methyl isocyanide. Most important, dangerous gas, methyl isocyanide. Because of this gas leakage only, Bhopal incident is happened. Okay, so this is furtherly hydrolysis. You are going to get primary amine. By using these four methods, you can prepare both aliphatic and aromatic amines. You can prepare aliphatic and aromatic amines. Is this clear? The next reaction, it is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So what is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis? For this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, you have to take it as phthalimide, like this. This is like benzene, C double bond, I'm sorry. Yeah, Gabriel so this is the final preparation of the amine, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. I am requesting for the NEET students, please avoid that Lawson, Curtius and Smith reactions, because it's not there in the NEET and only Hoffman bromamide is there. Okay, but this is also there in the NEET exam. Okay, this is on treated with. Please keep remember, this is highly acidic. The reason, this is minus M, this is minus M, electron withdrawing groups. This is base acidic nature. This is acidic hydrogen. So this is on treated with KOH. Yeah, water is eliminated. This H and OH is eliminated, and it forms a salt. This is forming a salt, N minus K plus. Just keep remember, this is on treated with normal methyl halide. What reaction it is? This is absolutely called as nucleophile. This is normal alkyl halide. N minus attacks, X minus is leaving. SN2 reaction. Then what will be the product? This is C double bond O, C double bond O, N R. This is N substituted amide. This is called as N substituted amide. This N substituted amide on hydrolysis, which is bond must be shifted towards nitrogen side only, because nitrogen is more electronegative. Here H is added, here OH is added, here H is added, here OH is added. That's all. And what will happen if you added base? Suppose base is added, means only COO minus is forming. That's all. I'll write this is COOH, COOH. You please observe what is the product. This is RNH2. This is called as primary amine. Okay, by using this Gabriel phthalimide, you prepare only primary amine. Secondary and tertiary amines not possible. Not only Gabriel phthalimide, from Hoffman bromamide also you cannot prepare secondary and tertiary amines. I hope it is clear. This is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Here, the thing you have to take it only primary alkyl halide. Yes. The next, I wanted to tell some applications related to Hoffman bromamide. Yes, from this Hoffman bromamide, what are the applications? I'll write it. Suppose you can take it C6H5, C. This is hydrogen is there, and here CH3 is there. This is on treated with Br2 KOH, or else you can add KOBr. What is the product? Just C double bond O is missed. What is the product? C6H5 and this, and here hydrogen is there, then C, CH3, NH2. So this is the trick for Hoffman bromamide. So what is the trick? Tell me. Just C double bond O is missed. That's all. And another thing, NH2 C double bond O NH2, urea. So this is one of the important application. Same, I'm adding NaOBr. Please keep remember NaOBr. This is haloform reaction, also same reagent. So Br2 NaOH, it is giving NaOBr. So this is the NaOBr. What I told the trick, just you missed the C double bond O. You prepared hydrazine. Okay. So the next, another example. Applications, all these are. Yes, whatever thing is there, you don't mind. KOBr is there. Then what is the thing is missing? C double bond O is missed. There is no configuration changing. Please keep remember. There is no change of configuration. Okay. First application, second application, third application. And all these are the applications of the Hoffman bromamide and another reagent. This is NH. Br2 KOH. Please keep remember. Is it one here? Hydrogen is added here. Just hydrogen is added here. Okay. It's like okay is added another side. Then you are going to get this is okay. And here NH2. Suppose let me take another example. This is on treated with KOH or RX or methyl halide and hydrolysis, and this is on treated with NaOBr. The down reaction is Hoffman bromamide, and upper reaction is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So in this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, normal, whatever the group you are taking, methyl and methylamine is forming. But NaOBr, what I told the trick. So for this NaOBr, you have to take it one hydrogen here and ONA here. Then what is our product? This is the ring, and here you are going to get COONA and C double bond O. This is C. I'm sorry, this is the C double bond O is missed. I'm sorry, this is wrong product. This is the C double bond O is missed. I will write it. CO, OK, and like this. Here, what is the thing is missing? One C double bond O is missed. Then you are going to get like this. It is like this. This is the C double bond O is missed. So NH2 is connecting like this. Okay. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Let me take some more examples and applications related to this. This is C double bond O NH2 on treated with same Br2 KOH, just C double bond O missed. It is a trick. Then you are going to get this one. So once again, let me explain this one. This is for this you added NaOBr. So what I told you, just break the bond. Your ONA is added. Your C double bond O is missed. Your hydrogen is added. Then what will be our product? This is cyclohexane ring. Here COONA, and here it is forming directly connected NH2. This is our product. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Yes. Next. This is C double bond O NH2 and ring the same Br2 KOH. What I told, just C double bond O is missed. There is no change. Don't confuse. It is, you are going to get this one. Okay. So let me tell mechanism of this conversion. Br2 KOH. You are going to get this one. Okay. This is NH2. Here C double bond O is missed, no? So this is directly connected to NH2. This is directly connected to NH2. So let me explain the mechanism of this conversion. So in the first step, please keep remember we added base and water. NH. This is acidic hydrogen. So obviously, so base will abstract, and what is the part is eliminated? Here water is eliminated. Then this is N minus. After that, you added Br2. So this is the Br2. It acts like this. Br minus is leaving. Then you are going to get NBr. You just keep remember, this is first acid base reaction, and the next NBr2, this is Br plus and this is Br minus. So this is the negative charge attacking, and N bromo, it's like amide, N substituted amide, N bromo amide, substituted amide. So after this, what will happen? This is on treated with again water. So water, it gives like nucleophilic addition reaction. What is that reaction? So this is O minus, and here this is OH minus attacks. After that bond shifted like this, O minus. So this is another way OH is connecting. This is NBr. This is unstable. So this is the negative charge is shifted like this. Then bond breaking like this. Then you are going to get, here again double bond is replaced. C double bond O. This is the C double bond O. Here this is the bond is breaking. Here negative charge is shifted like this, means here double bond is forming. Then double bond O, OH, and another side C double bond O, NBr. This is our product. Again here this is the nitrogen connected. What group? What is the charge? Here nitrogen has negative charge. So this is acid. Here negative charge is there. Please keep remember. This is acid. So acid H plus, abstracted H plus. Then COO minus, here NHBr. That as usual, you know, this is the same thing. I will write it like this. The same thing, for my convenient purpose, I will write it like this. C double bond O minus, here CH2, CH2, C, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, NHBr. So after that, what will happen? You, this is N substituted amide, then you Br2. Again, you have to add Br2 KOH. Same thing. This is very simple. You added again KOH. You added. This is the pair is there. Like this, it is shifting. The whole group is migrated like this. Okay. Then Br minus is leaving. You keep remember, the whole thing is you considered as R. It's like RCO. It's like RC double bond O, NHBr. The R group means the whole thing. You just keep remember. R means the whole thing is R. So then this is pair is there. Pair is shifted like this. Alkyl group is migrating. Then Br is leaving like this. Then what will happen? Same. The same thing is happened. Then you are going to get NH2. What is that? Tell me here. This is C. This is the C double bond O. Just remember, C double bond O. Here double bond N. This is the hydrogen connected to R. This is the R group. R group means what is that? CH2, CH2, COO minus. Obviously, this is on hydrolysis. What will happen? The nitrogen 4 bonds unstable. So H plus is eliminated. Then you are getting that isocyanate formation. So this is the isocyanate formation. Hydrogens are added like this. Then this is our final product. So this is very easy, and application and mechanism of this one. Okay. So thank you, students.